Is your WordPress website buried on page 10 of Google? Without proper SEO, your amazing content might never be seen. But don't worry. In this video, we'll walk you through the best WordPress SEO practices to help your site rank higher and drive more traffic. Stay tuned as we cover essential strategies, from choosing the right SEO plugin to mastering keyword optimization and improving your website speed. By the end, you'll have a solid SEO blueprint for success. WordPress is one of the most SEO-friendly platforms out there, but you still need to implement the right strategies to fully capitalize on its potential. Let's break down the best practices that can help boost your site's visibility in search engines. Start by installing a trustworthy SEO plugin like Yoast SEO or All-in-One SEO. These tools simplify complex SEO tasks such as meta descriptions, XML sitemaps, and content analysis. They also offer actionable suggestions to improve your content's optimization. Ensure your URLs are clean and keyword-friendly. Instead of a URL like yourdomain.com/P=123, go for yourdomain.com/best SEO tips. WordPress allows you to easily change your permalink structure in the settings. Improve site speed and mobile responsiveness. Google ranks faster, mobile-friendly websites higher. Use a caching plugin, optimize your images, and choose a responsive theme. Bluehost hosting already offers performance enhancements, but combining them with these optimizations can dramatically improve your SEO. Create quality content and use keywords strategically. Relevant content that serves your audience's needs. Conduct keyword research using tools like Google Keyword Planner or Ubersuggest. Then, naturally incorporate those keywords into your titles, headings, and content, but avoid keyword stuffing. By applying these SEO best practices, your WordPress site can climb search engine rankings, attract more organic traffic, and achieve the online success you've been dreaming of. If you found this guide helpful, give us a like, subscribe for more website tips, and drop your SEO questions in the comments. Ready to supercharge your WordPress site? Check out the best hosting and SEO tools linked in the description below.